Hi everyone, I'm Stella. Welcome to today's workshop, Taiwan's Workplace Trends for the Next 20 Years. I'm excited you're here because what we're talking about today is not just about jobs, it's about your future. In this workshop, we'll explore 5 major trends that are reshaping the way people work and how you might choose your path in Taiwan's evolving job market. Let's begin with a familiar idea, especially in Taiwan. Trend 1, the rusty iron rice bowl. For decades, a government job was the ultimate goal. It was stable, honorable, and secure. We called it the iron rice bowl, a job for life. But here's the question. Is that bowl starting to rust? Civil service applications have dropped more than 50% in the past 10 years, from 146,000 in 2013 to just 71,000 by 2022. More and more young people today are walking away from public sector jobs. Why? 1. The financial perks aren't what they used to be. Pension reforms have changed a lot. 2. Even more importantly, many feel that government jobs are too strict and slow-moving, with little room for new ideas or change. The civil service simply doesn't align with the values of a generation that wants growth, freedom, and meaning in their careers. Trend 2, the private sector's rising appeal. So where are young talents going instead? They're moving into technology, startups, and creative industries. 1. Jobs in semiconductors, AI, marketing and design offer higher pay and faster promotions. 2. These roles also come with more exciting, flexible work environments, something many young professionals crave. Trend 3, new career values. Young people today are asking very different questions. They're no longer focused on what job is safe or what offers stable income. Status and predictability used to matter, but now more and more are asking, where can I grow? How can I make a difference? Many young professionals now value purpose-driven work over traditional definitions of success. Security is no longer the top priority. Creativity, impact, and growth are. Trend 4, intensifying talent competition. With fewer young people entering the workforce, both public and private employers are competing harder than ever for talent. And that's actually good news for you. It means you have more power to choose the kind of work you want and the environment you deserve if you stay competitive. In fact, this talent war can work in your favor. It encourages employers to offer better working conditions, more flexibility, and clearer career paths. Trend 5, the government's transformation challenge. Public service isn't going away, but it must change to attract new talent. To stay relevant, the government will need to reform, modernize, and innovate. It must offer impact-focused roles and build a growth-oriented work culture, one that empowers young professionals to lead, contribute, and thrive. The future workplace in Taiwan. So is the iron rice bowl rusty? Yes, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. It means you now have choices and the freedom to define what a meaningful career looks like for yourself. Whether you pursue a job in government, tech, the creative industry, or even start something of your own, choose with your values, your energy, and your future in mind. Thanks for being here. Let's keep the conversation going. Now it's your turn to reflect. Let's take a moment to turn the focus to you. Here are 4 questions to think about. Feel free to write your thoughts down or share them in a group. 1. What matters more to you in a future job? Stability or the chance to grow and do meaningful work, even if it involves some risk? 2. What would you do if you had to choose between a high-paying job and a job that gives you more free time and less stress? Why? 3. What kind of job satisfaction do you expect in the future? Think about the kind of work, the people you work with, or the rewards you care about. 4. What helps you stay healthy and motivated while building your career? Like support from friends or mentors, learning new things, or a caring workplace.